Excel. It is a program, a developed program by Microsoft Office, which is made by cell and column, and those cell and column, they are formed what is called cell and worksheet. Today we are going to see file. In a file, you're going to see different tools which you can find in file and how they can be used. As the starting, we start from info. Last time we see protect a worksheet, a workbook or worksheet. In protect a worksheet, you see mark as file, see encrypt with password. Then today we are going to stay in protect a workbook, but today we are going to see protect a cell sheet. Protect a cell sheet. It is just like putting a password on a cell sheet. You can have a workbook with many cell sheet, but you can choose one sheet and put a password on it. In that sheet, one can open it without putting that password or ask for you a permission to remove the password. So now today we are going to see protect a current sheet and protect. We're going to protect a cell sheet and workbook. First of all, I'm going to come here to Excel. Go back. This is our sheet, and we want to protect it. In order to protect it, there are different ways. For example, we call name, address, and telephone. This is the part of our sheet, and we want to protect it. Sometimes you can protect it by putting a password here. When you push the right click, you can find protect a sheet. When you want to protect a sheet, you can say I want to protect lock the cell. You can select and lock the cell as you want, or you can select the column, or you can, here there's different type of protection you can put on your sheet. Sometimes you can lock the cell, one select cell, you can lock or unlock the cell, but to do that you have to put a password. If you put the password here and press OK, they ask you if you lose or you forget the password, you're going to lose the permission to use this one. So if you press OK, you continue, but if you say no, you put this password and press. If I press again, then press OK, which means I put a password on this sheet alone. But if I go to the next one, I can do anything I want, but here you can't do anything on this sheet. So as you can see, it is not protect the whole worksheet or workbook. It is just one sheet. So if you protect only one sheet, as you see here, we protect the sheet 1, but the sheet 2, it is not protected. You can press anything you want. Let me press, for example, this one. See, here it is possible to make anything in the second sheet. And if you want, you can also protect one cell. Here you can protect one cell if you want, or you can protect also the second sheet as you want. So if you want to protect only one cell, you can come here as you put the protection on this, on the first sheet, then you select you want to just put the protection in one place, lock the cell and unlock the cell. So if you want, you can just lock the column. If you don't want to put anything in that column, you can insert anything in the column. So here we have many things you have to protect if you want in one or different cell on a worksheet. After doing that, you have to put also a password. This password, it is very important, because if you forget it, it means you lose access to that sheet and you lose data from that sheet. So the next thing we're going to see, it is still in worksheet. Every time you come back here in worksheet or workbook, they show you the first sheet, it is protected, the second one, it is protected. If you press on it, before get it, they ask you to put a password. So if I put password, you see the first sheet, it is removed from, it means I remove all the password on my first sheet. I can access it and I can make a modification without asking me again the password. So the next thing I'm going to come to see, it is protect workbook structure. So as you can see, you can protect the workbook. To put a protection for workbook, it is just like encrypt the password, because if you do it here, it means you are going to protect the whole workbook with one password. For example, if I press here, they ask me again the password. So if I press OK and we enter the same password, it means I protect the two sheets with the same password. Before even reach to this first sheet or this worksheet, they ask you the password which you make as a general password. So before putting any password to your worksheet or workbook, make sure you are not going to forget that access to your document. So those who are new to my channel, please subscribe, make comment and share. Thank you.